Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you don't chase phantom errors. Check the device OS and store region, then update the system if it's behind. Make sure your account has correct payment and parental control settings. Sign out and sign back in to refresh permissions. Once done, clear the App Store cache or try the web store and note the exact app name and developer to avoid similarly named apps. Next, you resolve availability and get the app installed. If region restrictions block you and policy allows, use a VPN or change store region, but first verify developer rules, then reinstall from the verified store page. If that fails, install via another device or use the web download and sync to your target device. Make sure your device is listed as compatible, has enough storage, and finally, you finish the process and prepare for fixes if things go wrong. Restart the device, install pending updates, then open the app and grant any needed permissions so it can run. If errors persist, contact the developer with detailed logs, app version, and your store receipt to speed diagnosis. As a last resort only, back up your data and factory reset. Make sure to verify any regional policy changes before repeating installation attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.